So I've plugged it in and filled it with water. Actually, it has seven cups. I can put a little more cold water in, make sure it's got the full 8 cups. Just for this purpose, it shouldn't matter. But now it's up to the eight cup line, and fresh ground coffee in the filter. Power's on. Time is 10:18, and I will press the on button. And so now the red light comes on just like it always has, and it will stay in this state all day. If I don't turn it off or unplug it, it will just do nothing. Up until a couple of weeks ago, it brewed fine. Within a minute or so of turning it on, you could hear it percolating. Within 4 or 5 minutes, it'd brew a pot of coffee. But now it just, light comes on as it always did, but it does nothing. So I will run the video for, say, 3 minutes. Then I will pause it and come back after 10 minutes to show the clock, and that it is absolutely, and the dry ground coffee inside, the water still full, nothing is going to happen. Went through the videos of what to, like if it wasn't brewing, it could need to run a solution of, I don't remember, vinegar, water through it or something, but that is not even possible because it does not brew at all. It's as if there is no heat in the brewing element. So it's been over 3 minutes since I turned it on, and you can see that absolutely nothing is happening. Um, but just to ensure, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and after 10 minutes, come back and show that it's still the same. So another 10 minutes or so has passed. Still, same situation. Water's clear, full, 8 cups. tried coffee, nothing happening. So over 10 minutes, 12, 13 minutes of brewing time here that since it was turned on, and no response from the coffee maker. Like I said, I could leave it on for hours and this would be the situation. So you need to either have fixed or replaced. Thank you.